And remember the driver's prayer, beautiful reminder for all of us. Grant me, O Lord, a steady hand, a watchful eye, so that no one will be hurt as I pass by. Sana po, as you journey through this world, you don't hurt people. Wala kang mga sinasaktan, wala kang mga ninanakawan, wala kang mga tinutumba ng mga tao. So, question now is, sino ang driver sa buhay mo? Who is your driver? Marami sa atin, I am the driver of my life. I am the one who controls everything. Where I want to go, how fast I go, I am the driver of my destiny. Wow, edi wow. But then some people say, you've read it in the buses for, God is my co-driver. Ooh, may awareness na siya. He has a co-driver. Pero, level up pa tayo. Kung ginawa mo si God co-driver, ikaw pa rin ang driver. Good, but not good enough. The best thing if you can say, God is the driver of my life.